In a lot of workplaces, the main hazard isn't being run over by a forklift or dropping something really heavy on your foot. It's actually just slipping over. If you take the hospitality industry as an example, for every 40 hours work, you can actually expect to slip up to 2.5 times. And actually 11% of grease burns in the hospitality industry are actually precipitated by a slip. So if someone's walking along, they slip, they reach out and grab something, and they grab the fryer or the hot plate. So what we've done in creating the traction control range is to create a range of footwear that's specifically designed to reduce slips in the workplace. So we've created a really high friction sole, and starting right from initial contact, what we've done is we've shaped the angle at the back of the footwear to specifically line up with the angle with which people come into contact with the ground. And that's actually coming in at an angle. We've also shaped it so there's a rounded heel, so it increases the amount of contact area, and also provides a smooth transition from initial contact to foot flap. Looking at the sole of the footwear, the channeling varies consistently through each area of the footwear. Based on the rollover pattern or the pressure dispersion pattern of the foot, we really want to maximise the contaminant or the fluid dispersion out from underneath the foot. So you can see that the lateral side of the foot, in the rear foot, the channeling is quite different to the medial side. And then again, it consistently changes right through to the forefoot and through to the toe area. What we have also is 3 distinct levels of channeling. So we've got our primary channeling, which is very deep and very large to really remove the bulk of the contaminants out from underneath the sole of the foot. We then have secondary channeling, which provides further fluid dispersion or contaminant dispersion, provides an increased number of leading edges. Then we have tertiary or very micro channeling to provide further leading edges and further fluid dispersion. This also helps create independent pods which can sort of move and articulate to the surface to really maximise ground contact area on the subtle undulations on tiled or lino surfaces. The application of the biomechanics and hydrodynamic principles to the design of our traction control range has actually resulted in standards or friction coefficient testing, which actually exceeds the Australian and European standards by 122%. It's really helping to reduce the risk of slips in the workplace.